Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Jasmy update. We want to take a look at the Jasmy price chart one more time because, as you can see, the price is heading to the downside and we want to understand what exactly is happening here with the Jasmy price chart. But before I get into today's content, I just want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. People looking for Jasmy content will now be able to find this video much more easily. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I would encourage you to do so really, because I do tier on Jasmy on a regular basis, and without me running my mouth too much, let's actually get into the real stuff. So in the last video, we were looking for an ABC correction and we actually got that ABC correction, but it now seems that the 1 2 3 4 5 that we were looking to the upside here after this ABC correction was actually, unsuccessful, because this your first wave right here should not be retraced more than 100% of itself by the second wave. So this can't be your 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside. Something else is actually happening right here. Not really sure what it is, but I don't want to jump into conclusions that we are in something like maybe a 1 2 3 4 5 to the downside, and that would actually signal short to medium term correction for the Jasmy price. But I don't have enough data to actually come to that conclusion, so we'll rather wait for the price to have more information actually, so that we can have a better understanding of what's happening there, right? But elsewhere in the markets, taking a look at the DXY, we can actually see that on a daily time frame right here, the DXY is breaking above the major resistance. I think this is what is causing the panic in the market, and I don't think it's a big issue really, because we can actually see that we haven't actually broken above the bigger resistance. Obviously, support and resistance are not single lines like what we drew right here, because you can also see that we are actually still in that zone. You can actually see the resistance that we have, right? So nothing actually has been guaranteed for the DXY, but I think markets are actually freaking over this move right here that we have in the DXY. But I can tell you that the damage here on this chart is already done, because you can see here when we pull our moving averages, I'm talking about the 100 moving average here and the 200 daily moving average, you can see that we already have got that death cross happening right here. But it's really normal to see the price acting in the opposite direction, but the damage is already done, in my own opinion, on this price set. So yeah, this move that you see cascading into all markets is mainly because of the DXY looking like it's going to break out or something like that. But this is why I'm saying that there's no reason to panic over this move, because you can also see that here on the Jasmy price that we're actually approaching a support level. Obviously, the 1 2 3 4 5 that we wanted to go to the upside here may not be happening, but also support is actually imminent in the immediate short term, right? So we can look at support from $0.058 per Jasmy. That's okay. We'd have to see and reevaluate to see what's going to happen there. Okay, this support is even going as far back as I think this was October. So I mean, really nothing to worry too much on the Jasmy price at here, unless and until maybe we break this support level. Then obviously we'll come and reassess the situation. But in my own opinion, the markets are panicking because of the move that we have on the DXY. But let's also take a look at the Bitcoin price at here. Looking at the Bitcoin price chart using Bitstamp, the Bitstamp exchange, we can see that yes, obviously we ran into resistance. It was really normal for the chart to hit this level and then try to retrace a little bit. But in my own opinion, nothing actually has been concluded with this rejection that we see. It actually may be something that is in the short term, right? But I don't think the Bitcoin price side is actually in for a bigger correction. Even if we have a bigger correction, how low can it take us? To 23,000, 21,000? I mean, 21,000 is not really bad. I mean, if you come to think of it, we're at 17k just this November. So really optimistic here on the Bitcoin price side. Look at this, we're actually having a bullish cross here with the 100 DMA as well as the 200 DMA crossing. And to be honest, whenever this has happened on the Bitcoin price, that actually has had like upward price action. You can see it happening here. Obviously this was minor, but the other time that it happened, we actually kickstarted a bull market right here. So that's something that is optimistic and something to look out for the Bitcoin price. That there you can also see this part right here. I mean, the Bitcoin price set, in my own opinion, long term is actually looking very bullish. I don't have a doubt that we're actually going to see maybe 50k, if not this year, probably the first half of next year. So I'm not really worried about the move that we see here. As I mentioned already, I think the markets are freaking over the move that we see here on the DXY. But other than that, yeah, we'd have to wait and see what the price set tells us in a few days or something like that. But here on the Jasmy price set, we are actually now stuck in a range. If you come to think of it, we have got resistance on top here. We also have got support in the immediate short term. So this is a no man's zone. No action. I'm not taking any action in this zone right here because I really don't have a clear picture of what's happening. I'll let the price set, digest all these moves that we see across markets, and then from there we can see what we can do. Obviously, this is just my own opinion. This is not financial advice. But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would have to see you on the next one. Take care, bye.